Hey y'all, it's Jestina Keys with another Makeup Monday. Coming at you live from boyfriend's house with Mabel. Aww. When boyfriend's away, the girls will play. So we're doing something a little different. Ah. Man, this is turning out to be like a vlog. Ah. Doing something a little different this Makeup Monday. I decided that I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. So I'm gonna unbox my Boxycharm so that you guys can see it. Give my skin a little bit of a break this week, I say, while I'm already wearing makeup. But let's get started. Peeling back the adhesive. I have such a lovely, wonderful little helper, don't I? Okay, here we go. This is a little better. So, look at this. Oh my god, I love it. So they come with this handy little thing. Ooh. That has coupon codes in the back. I love that. And you open it up and it tells you what everything is inside of here. So, let's start with these. You can see them. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. These are from House of Lashes. They're so beautiful. Right now, I don't know if you can see. You can see mine. From Ardell's foaming slashes. They kind of remind me of that a little bit, so I'm very excited to try these out. Oh, there's a boudoir lashes. Wow. Let's see. This is from Bang Beauty. It is. They're chocolate eyeliner. The description says use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Let's open that up so you guys can see it. What it looks like. Ooh, I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh. Okay, so here's a swatch. I lightly dipped my finger in it because I don't want to use too much of it. But it's really creamy. It has a nice texture and consistency to it, and it goes on really smooth. Glides on nicely. I keep doing this because the sunlight makes a little like reflector on my arm. Let's see. Okay, what's next? This is the Ades Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. It's organic, infused, age-defying nail treatment essentials. Ooh. High-tech skincare for nails. That's exciting. Mine can use it. Ooh, Smashbox! They're always on liquid lipstick. I personally have one of these. It actually matches the shirt that I'm wearing. Surprised I didn't wear it in this video. My bad. You guys have seen it in my Ivy video if you've been paying attention, which you should be, so. Oh, there you go. This is the shade Slay Tan. The applicator for these is pretty cool. Pretty pointy. This is so creamy. I love how this feels. That's what it looks like. This actually doesn't look too bad on my skin. It's like a dark brown, and I thought it was going to be pretty. I don't know. I didn't think it was going to work for me. It might not. I don't know. It might be different on my lips, but I don't hate how it looks right now, so maybe I'll put it on in another video. We shall see. I had hair stuck to both my lips and my false eyelashes. Not a fun time. Alright, let's keep going. This is the Lower Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. I'm not even gonna get into all the drama between her and Jeffree Star and reveals, so let's just take a look at this. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. That was a nice little move. This is It's a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Ranks, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. Swatch test. Do it on this arm, because then I'll start. My other wow, with my hand is huge. Ah. Alright, so far, ooh, that one's pigmented. It's a Party, that yellow one, not so pigmented, so gotta do my best. Honestly, not bad. Ooh, that was a pleasant surprise. The consistency isn't terrible for what I was expecting. I didn't expect it to be good. My dirty hands. Better? Yeah, here you go. Weird angles so you can see everything. That one's Hungover. The pink one is Bottoms Up, which is sparkly, and you can't really tell in the video, but it looks pretty sparkly and I didn't expect the sparkles to hold up. Orange is Drinks. Blue is Karaoke. The lighter blue I already forgot the name of, and then It's a Party, which I had to do twice to get to work. But otherwise, not bad. Let me see, that lighter blue is Damage Control. Bear with me with all these weird angles, you guys. Didn't even bother trying to figure out a good setup because I don't normally film from boyfriend's house. But, you know, I do what I can to fit YouTube in for you guys into my busy life schedule. And stinking plastic. There we go. And last but not least in this unboxing we have, what is this? The Wander Baggage Claim Golden Eye Mask. I'm gonna give you 3 of them. So I guess they're gold and you put them underneath your eyes. Gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Nice. I could use that with how tired I am from working full-time job, night shift. Taking time out of my weekend to film this for you guys. So I hope you are appreciative. But yeah guys, that's about everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next week we'll get back to the actual tutorials. If you like this video, you know, make sure to leave in the comments if you want to see more of these unboxings, or if you just want to get to the makeup, or if there's anything else that you want to see, or you have suggestions, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on all of our social media platforms. And subscribe to our Patreon if you already haven't. Thanks guys, see you next time.